Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Tip Tuesday. You know how when you're drawing and you really want to get those really fine, teeny tiny details, but your pencil's either really worn down fat, or you have one of these guys and then you get the fine details, but you have to keep switching back and forth to the fat pencil. Anyway, I have a remedy for that. It's called the chisel tip. You can do it all with one pencil. I'm going to show you how to do it. And you can do all those fun details, fat and thin, one pencil. Let's go. Draw. All right, so here's the gist, right? You got your regular pencil, but what we're going to do is we're going to hack off the end of it here, just completely decapitate the pencil brain from its body, and we're going to make a nice sharp end there. So at an angle like this, you've got your pointy end and your flat end all right there. So let's do that. Grab your pencil and your fancy sharpening tool here, and at an angle, just rub it down until you have a nice flat and sharp. Oh, and don't forget to save your receipts for later. Now, you've got your flat end for your wide shading, and you still have your sharp bit there too. And even better, as long as you're using the wide end, you're also keeping your sharp end. How convenient. It's like magic. Ta-da! Woo! What? That's all there is to it? Absolutely there is. In fact, I would go ahead and suggest you go do that right now. That's called Quick Tip Tuesday for a reason. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I would love it if you did. And as always, stay creative. Thanks. Draw.